Let us look into the universal law of gravitation numerical. What is the gravitational force between two students sitting 3 meter apart if one has a mass of 80 kg and the other has mass of 120 kg? Now here there are two objects, that is the two students are the two objects here who are sitting 3 meters apart from each other, and we need to find the gravitational force between the two. We already know the given values, and so we need to first mention the given values, such as the distance between the two students is 3 meter. The mass of first object, that is student 1, is 80 kg and the mass of the second student is 120 kg. And we know the gravitational constant is a constant value g, which is equal to 6.67 into 10 raised to negative 11 Newton meter square kg raised to minus 2. Applying the equation of the gravitational force of attraction between the two objects, that is F is equal to g m m by d square, we get 6.67 into 10 raised to negative 11 into the mass of the first object, that is 80 kg, into the mass of the second object, that is 120 kg, divided by the distance between the two, that is 3 meter, the whole square. And when we evaluate this expression, we get 7114.67 into 10 raised to negative 11 Newton. So the force of attraction between the two students is 7114.67 into 10 raised to negative 11 Newton. Moving on to another one problem of the same kind on universal law of gravitation, let us see. Determine the force of gravitational attraction between the earth and a 70 kg physics student if the student is standing at sea level, a distance of 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 meter from the earth's center. Now here we need to remember that the object is the physics student who is standing on the surface of the earth, and so the distance of the student from the center of the earth is the radius of the earth, that is 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 meter. Applying the given values into the equation for the gravitational force of attraction, we get F is equal to g m m by d square, and this comes to 6.67 into 10 raised to negative 11 into 70 kg, the mass of the physics student, into the mass of the earth, that is 5.98 into 10 raised to 24 kg, divided by the radius of the earth, that is 6.38 into 10 raised to 6 meter, the whole square. Again, if we evaluate this equation, it will come to 686 Newton, which is the gravitational force that is exerted by the earth on the student. So if the force of attraction is asked between any two objects, then the universal law of gravitation is applicable, and the equation for this gravitational force is g into m divided by d square, where g is the gravitational constant and the capital M and small m are the masses of the two objects under consideration, and d is the distance from the center of the two objects. And so using this, the equation, the final answer that we get is in Newton, that is the force of attraction between the two objects.